This question says a triangle of base AB is 50 mm, BC is 40 mm, and AC is 60 mm. Circumscribe a circle on the triangle. Alright, let's draw. To do that, we'll first of all draw a straight line. The straight line should be AB, which is 50 mm. So if this is 20 to 5 is 50 mm, okay? That's 5 cm. I'll call here A, I'll call here B. And we're told that BC is 40 mm, okay? So my compass, I'll measure 40 mm rule, okay? I'm actually using a set square. I'll measure 40, which is 4 cm, and pin at B, and I will cut an arc. And we're told that AC is 60. So I'll come again, measure 60. What the heck is wrong with my compass? 16, and I'll bring it this way, and I'll cut. Check, I did not cut, so I just bring it back to this place where I can cut this stuff back on it. Yes, and then we will join to where they intersect. Now if you measure, you see this is C, okay? See it's 60, 40, 50. Consider a circle two sides. So let me bisect A and C and B and C. Look, I'll place here with any radius of my choice, okay? Let's open it small. Cut up, cut down. I bring it this way, put on A, cut up, cut down. After doing that, I'll join the faint line. Now we have done that for AC. Let's bisect BC. So I'll cut up any radius at all of your choice. Cut down. Place that C. Cut up. Oh, sorry. What the heck is wrong with my compass? But please mind you, whatever arc you used to cut up, you should also use to cut down, so do not shake it, okay? And then I'll join just this way. Now we have a center point here, okay? Now I'll place this. You might like to change your pencil so that your line will be thick. So I'm using this my 5B pencil, which is more thicker. Delete. I'll pin here where they intersect, okay? Bring it to C. Check if it touch through A and touch through B. Now draw. So guys, this is basically how it will look like. So guys, this is how you can circumscribe a circle in a triangle. Thank you guys for watching today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next episode.